So here's why I think you might want to add a YouTube playlist to the end of your YouTube ads. If you're like one of my clients, Greg, you've been using YouTube ads, but not to sell directly to your viewers. Instead, you want to nurture them so they can find out more about your business through other videos. Greg had us doing micro campaigns, and these make sure that people see each of your company's videos when people are searching on a particular topic. The idea is to expose the videos to a larger but highly targeted audience. Essentially, he tasked us with getting more views for the videos. Now, you probably already know this, and Greg and I talked about this, but running YouTube ads with the hopes of getting huge subscriber numbers or even huge views, or even growing your channel by leaps and bounds, it's a bad idea. Don't do that with YouTube ads. It's going to cost you a ton of money, and it can actually really damage your channel's recommendation in the algorithm if people click but they don't watch. However, we work with a lot of niche channels, and sometimes we just want to find those 50 or 100 highly targeted viewers that YouTube may not be finding for you right away. So the algorithm is designed to find the right viewers for you, but it may not do it right away. And for some high-ticket types of businesses, just a few of the right viewers could literally mean hundreds of thousands of dollars in business. But getting the wrong viewers can actually destroy your entire channel reputation in YouTube's eyes, so you want to be super, super careful. Don't do this wrong. And by the way, if we haven't met, my name's Dane Golden from the Video Marketing Business Academy. And today's the day for you to start upping your game on YouTube for Business so you can transform your viewers into loyal customers. And to begin your journey, just click on that subscribe button below and the notification bell to stay in the loop. So what do we do for Greg's channel using YouTube ads? Well, in addition to the highly targeted ads, and I'll go into that process in other videos, we used YouTube playlists and we put them in the end screen. And real quick, YouTube playlists and YouTube end screens, they're both features within YouTube's channel management platform, which is called the YouTube Studio. Because every YouTube ad is also a video that's been uploaded onto the YouTube platform. So the video ads themselves, they sit in YouTube Studio for that channel. YouTube playlists are a way of guiding the viewer who's, let's face it, your customer. The viewer's your customer. Guiding them into a sequential experience where they can watch multiple YouTube videos from your channel in order that you define. And the end screen is a feature where you can suggest to the viewer that they take an action at the end of a video. In this case, you're asking them to click on a playlist. So you might be saying, hey, Dane, listen, if I'm paying for an ad, I want them to visit my website. And of course, that's right. You're not going to ever grow your business unless somebody eventually visits your website. But what's also true, and you're probably in the same boat as me, because I often don't want to click. People often want more info before they click. That's very common. You might be like that, I'm like that. I may not want to click. Instead, when I'm on one platform like YouTube, I want to stay on YouTube and watch more videos. That's just my tendency. And it's painful to create that problem where you want them to click and they don't want to click. They still want to know more about you though. So if they're not going to click, you might as well get them to watch a second video, maybe a third video from your channel, and keep them in this special experience on YouTube, this exclusive experience that you've created just for them. And you do that through the YouTube playlist, and you do that in the end screen of a YouTube video that's become an ad. Okay, this is really meta because I'm going to ask you to check out this next playlist for more great tips. My name is Dane Golden from the Video Marketing Business Academy, where we help you up your game on YouTube for business and transform your viewers into loyal customers. So click that next video, you do that, and you'll be golden.